Any little part in this sort center, I'm able to fix it. I come into work knowing that my job might seem minimal, but it makes a massive difference in the overall scope of the Amazon process. I had all my schooling paid for, and I was paid to work as a technician. You don't go into debt, and you get paid to learn and to grow as a technician. As an apprentice, this is just the start of your career. I hope to eventually become a Tech 2, and then the next step above that is to be a Tech 3, and then hopefully become an area maintenance manager. The sky is the limit. I 100% love my job. This job as an apprentice was the first time I was excited to come to work, and still am every day.